Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem. Check which browser or app shows random ads and record versions, because fixes differ. Next, install a reputable ad blocker like uBlock Origin or AdGuard and enable strict blocking lists to stop most injections. Once done, audit your extensions and remove anything unfamiliar, then reset the browser settings and clear cache and cookies to eliminate persistent scripts. These steps cut noise fast and prepare the system for deeper cleanup. Now you dig into root causes. Run a full anti-malware scan with Malwarebytes or equivalent and remove any detected threats, because ad injections often come from PUPs or malware. Then inspect the host's file and DNS settings and update router firmware. Make sure no unknown DNS or redirection exists. After that, harden browsers by enabling privacy flags, disabling third-party cookies, and turning on HTTPS-only mode to reduce ransom ad injections and prevent trackers from respawning. Finish by verifying the fix. Open a fresh browser profile or use guest mode and browse several sites to confirm ads are gone. If everything checks out, restore bookmarks and passwords from a clean backup, but first change critical passwords if you suspected compromise. Make sure to document what you removed and the settings changed. If random ads persist, factory reset the router, consider reinstalling the OS, or consult a professional. This single troubleshooting tip saves time when hidden persistence remains.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.